8 ways to get a facelift without surgery. But before we reveal the steps on how to perform facelift without surgery, we want you to take a second to like this video and also check out the first link in the description to learn more on the best facial yoga program to look younger. According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, there were 131,106 facelifts performed in the US in 2016, that's a 0% change from 2000. Why the plateau? While our collective quest to unlock all the secrets to anti-aging is still very much on, exciting and effective non-surgical facelift options are now available for those hesitant to go under the knife. A facelift, Temple explains, is a surgical procedure where the surgeon makes small incisions throughout the hairline, behind the ears, chin and mouth to then pull the skin back to decrease the appearance of aging. While the results of this procedure can be dramatic, they are not permanent. Over time, she warns, sagging and wrinkles will return, hence the decision for many to seek non-surgical options. Let's explore some of these alternatives. 1. Injections, also known as dermal fillers. Injections help to fill in the appearance of lines and wrinkles. They can also plump up the skin, giving a more youthful look and reducing any sagging or hollowness. As Temple explains, fillers such as Juvederm are packed with hyaluronic acid, which adds volume to desired areas of the face in order to lift cheeks, smooth parentheses lines or plump the lips. The results, she notes, are both subtle and long-lasting. 2. UL therapy. UL therapy uses ultrasound technology and is the only FDA-cleared, non-invasive procedure that lifts, tones, and tightens the skin. As a practitioner, Temple appreciates the precision of the method, that it allows her to see the layers of tissue targeted during the treatment to ensure the energy is deposited where it will be most beneficial. The treatment can be highly effective, she says, jump-starting a natural process to produce fresh, new collagen. 3. Microcurrent toning. Commonly described as facial toning, microcurrent is Temple's specialty at Inderma Studio. It is her preferred procedure for non-surgical facelifts, she says, due to the dramatic lifting effect that microcurrent has on facial muscles and facial contours. Microcurrent instantly plumps out deep lines and wrinkles, promoting skin healing as well as collagen and elastin production. During the procedure, all 32 facial muscles are physically manipulated using soft cotton-tipped wands probes that transmit the mild electrical impulses. The treatment is pain-free, she adds, and offers instant gratification. 4. Crylift. This procedure is brand new and Temple is already a fan. Crylift, she explains, delivers hyaluronic acid and CO2 to the skin directly, lowering the skin's temperature, causing surface blood to rush, true oxygenation, and wrapping the contracting and expanding pores around the hyaluronic acid. It treats dehydration and reduces inflammation, giving an overall glow. Ideal for all skin types, she notes, there is zero downtime and instant results. 5. Lasers. Collagen-producing lasers penetrate the skin deeply, at the layer of restructuring. They work, Temple explains, by gently heating the collagen under the surface of the skin. This expands the collagen, tightens the skin and shrinks broken capillaries. In her experience, this method has less of an impact than other treatments. 6. Feed your face. Your kitchen could hold the key to younger, firmer skin. Pour freshly extracted pineapple juice in an ice cube tray and place overnight in the freezer, says facialist Una Brennan. Next day, pass the ice cube over clean skin. Leave for no more than 5 minutes and wash off. Pineapple enzymes help elasticity, improve hydration, and exfoliate to reveal radiant fresh, facelifted skin. 7. Egg on your face. An egg white and lemon juice face mask will leave skin fresh and glowing. 8. Do the puffer fish. Working the buccinator muscles in the cheeks will help lift and firm your face. Puff out your cheeks and gently begin tapping them with your hands, says Anna Reich, fitness expert for Simple Skincare. Do this twice. Feel the muscles aching? Then it's working. The 8 ways to get a facelift without surgery. Don't forget to check out our program, the best facial yoga program to look younger, in the description below. Kindly like, share and comment.